Hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Gina here with your weekly market update on September 17th and come to you with some kind of mixed news. Last week, the stock market experienced some mixed performance. The Dow saw gains, but the S&P and the NASDAQ faced some pressure, particularly from Apple. But the other tech stocks, especially those related to AI, had a very strong week. The biggest news, however, is surrounding the Federal Reserve's announcement this week, tomorrow actually. And so investors last week were and this week closely watching what they anticipate is going to happen since the Fed is expected to announce its first rate cut since 2020. So that's obviously very big news. But what has created some volatility is really as traders speculated on whether it's going to be a 25 or a 50 basis point cut. Also, many other central banks across the world are set to discuss their policy this week, so that should be very interesting. I know Brazil, England, Norway, South Africa, a few others. And it really appears like many of those are going to follow in our footsteps and follow the same suit in lowering rates, possibly this round, but we're going to have to wait and see, except for Japan, who is likely to raise rates, but that may not happen this round. So a lot is going to transpire, and it will be exciting and interesting to see what happens. We will certainly report to you next week with all of that. But like I said, overall, last week was a week of anticipation, mixed results, and with the Fed decision coming up, that was a major and is a major focal point. So we look forward to talking to you next week about all of that.